Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord stuck on a black or gray screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Discord open. So if you do have Discord open, the first thing you're going to want to do is completely close down Discord. So once you close it down, you want to check that it's fully closed down by coming down to the bottom right-hand corner, clicking onto this arrow to show hidden icons, and making sure Discord is closed from here. Also, if you do see the Discord icon, just simply right-click and then click onto Discord. What you also want to do is hold down Control, Alt, and Delete to bring up your task manager. And in here, you want to look for, again, any instances of Discord that may be running. So if you check through the processes and there are any instances of Discord, you simply just need to right-click onto Discord and click onto End Task. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to the search box in the bottom left-hand corner and type Run. Then what you need to do is open up Run underneath Best Match to bring up a box like this. Into this box, we're going to type the following, which is a % symbol followed by app data, and then another % symbol, and then press OK. What we need to do is locate the Discord folder so you can see that's just here. Then you want to right-click and click onto Delete from the menu that comes up. This might just take a minute or two to delete. Once you've done that, from this window, you want to come up to the top, this address bar, and click onto App Data. What we're now going to do is double-click onto the local folder just here, and we're going to repeat the process. So we just need to look for the Discord folder, right-click, and then come down and click onto Delete. Once you've done that, go ahead and close this window down. What we're now going to do is come back down to the search box in the bottom left-hand corner, and this time we want to type CMD. Now you should see command prompt coming up underneath Best Match. What you need to do at this point is right-click onto command prompt and run as administrator. After doing that, you're going to get the command prompt window load up like this, and you want to type the following command, which is ipconfig, then a space, and then /flush DNS, and hit enter on your keyboard. Once that's done, go ahead and type exit, then enter to come out of command prompt. And finally, what you need to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to discord.com. Then what you want to do is go ahead and re-download this onto your PC. So once you've re-downloaded it, you just want to go ahead and reinstall Discord. It may ask you to log into your account again, but once you've done that, you should now no longer have the problem with the black or gray screen. So that's basically how you can fix Discord stuck on a black or gray screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.